I'd like to show you the new Gemfan 5152S. This is a revision of the previous Flash series, but they've got the new material and made a few changes what the pilots asked for. So very nice smooth profile, sharp edges. It's made for low-end torque and like more top speed racing. It's a racing propeller, not really based for freestyle. They've got really nice where your prop sits in, little hole there, so it grips the propeller really nicely. The molds are perfect, I think, from them. Perfectly balanced out of the box, very durable, and it performs really well. So the amp draw is not too bad as well. I'm gonna go here now to the park and have a quick flight, and I can show you. Unfortunately, there's vibrations in my frame. This is a Shen Drones Courgette. I had a bit of a crash a while back. I couldn't figure out what the vibrations was, and turns out my frame was cracked. I put some Gorilla Glue in there, but I need to run my P very low now because I tried to bump it up a little bit and you can see the vibrations on there. It's not the props, it's my frame. So yeah, let's go to the park and check it out. A few things that I like in this propeller, now that I've viewed my footage back, is that it holds it's really easy to fly low on the ground. You've got a lot of more, feels like resolution at the bottom of your stick, so I like it for that. So that's where the torque factor comes in. When you go full speed, yeah, it heats up straight really nicely. But you see there's a bit of shakiness in the frame, that's a crack arm there. But it holds the corners really well. It's a nice little spot where I fly next to my home. Nobody really gives me a bother here. Kids are at school, so nice and safe. This is my Scraggle test. Every time when I test some propellers, I send it through that tree. I know there's Scraggle, but you can fly through it if you just go for it. This is there's some random dudes pop by in the back. See what's this noise? What this dude flying? But yeah, overall holds really well. It was a bit windy today, so the especially with the low P, you can see the quad was not tracking perfectly straight. But yeah, it's holding well, I'm happy with it, and I'm looking forward to fly more with these propellers on my race quad. It's very muddy, it's been a lot of rain, we've got flood warnings and stuff, so don't want to crash, so I'm taking it easy. Just hard enough to test propellers. If you have any questions or comments, drop it here in the video. I always like to see what you guys think. I definitely found my go-to prepare for my race squad. This is my little beater tester, so hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time at the field.